Hi, today we're going to be talking about a three-act lesson. And this three-act lesson proposes a problem, and we're going to see if we can't figure it out together. So here we begin with a video. Go ahead and watch it. And the second part. So the question that I have for you, if we never emptied our classroom recycling can, how long would it take to fill our classroom from floor to ceiling? I'd like you to do this Padlet, and I'd like you to write down what questions do you have. Go ahead and do that. All you need to do is click on the box, and I'll be here when you get back. Okay, now that you've come up with some questions, I'd like you to make an estimate. What's your guess? How long do you think it'll take for us to fill our classroom with recyclables? And then after you've made this guess, I would like you to tell me what is an answer that you think is too small and what is an answer that you think is too high. So you'll have three estimates that you'll be making. One, how long do you think it's really going to take? And then what's one that's way too high and one that's way too low? Go ahead and tap on the website, and you'll go into Padlet and you'll be able to type in your response. Don't forget to include your initials so we can recognize some of the ideas that you have. I have a list. I would like to know, what do you need to know? What do you need to know now in order to be able to solve this problem? Go ahead and choose which things you need to know. Do you need to know how large is the room? Do you need to know how much waste is produced in a day? Do you need to know how we can measure the waste? Do you need to know, can we estimate? I think that last question, is an estimation good enough to find our answer? Let me know what you think. I'll wait here while you put your choice in. Either nope, you don't think an estimate's good enough. Yes, you do think an estimate's good enough, or you're not really sure. So here's some things I can tell you. Act 2. I can tell you how large the classroom is. I can also tell you how much waste we collected in one day. And I can also tell you how we came about figuring that out. How do we figure out how much waste we collected in one day? Act 3. This is the answer. How are we going to figure this out? Let's see what happens with this video. The volume of the cardboard box in inches and the volume of the recyclables in a day in inches. To be able to find how many days it will take us to fill the cardboard box, we'll have to take the volume of the cardboard box and divide it by the volume of the recyclables in a day. So how many days will that take? Well, if we want to find the volume of the classroom, we'll need to first change our cubic feet into cubic inches, and then we'll need to divide that volume by the volume of the cardboard box. So 1,732 and 5/10 divided by 433 equals 4 days. It will take 4 days to fill one box with recyclable waste. If we take the volume of the classroom, which is 11,321,856, and we divide that by the volume of one box, which is 1,732 and 5/10, it will take 6,535 boxes to fill our classroom. How many days to fill our classroom with recyclable waste? Well, we take the 6,535 boxes times 4 days, and that equals 26,140 days to fill our room with recyclables. Is there anything else we can find out? Here are the measurements that... So now that we have found out the answer, I wanted to let you know that if you like doing these 3-act lessons, you like being perplexed, here is a website that you can check out. It's 101 perplexing questions. You can go through and work with Act 1, Act 2, and Act 3. It's a really fun way to use math and to test your math instead of all of your reading skills. I hope you had fun. See you soon.